Good afternoon everyone. My name is Nupur Ravi and let's begin with the video. I will introduce you to the hardware part. So this is the caster wheel and it is used to balance the wheelchair. There are other two wheels which are connected with 40 to 50 RPM and it is used to control the motion of the wheelchair. The wheelchair operates in two modes. In the manual mode we are using the braille keypad as you can see. The first switch is the backward, then the second one is the forward, then the third one is left forward, then there is a stop and then right forward. Now let's come to the IR sensor. So this is the IR sensor. The black LED is the receiver. The white LED that you see is the transmitter, and it is connected to the voltage regulator 7805, which is interconnected to the relays. We have used 4 relays, and now let's come to the another mode, which is the Bluetooth mode. And now you can see the Bluetooth, which is HC05, and it is connected to Arduino Uno. The 4 relays are used to permit a low power circuit to control the signal and to switch high current on and off. Then the LEDs that you see are used with the resistance of 1 kilo ohm. Now this is the relay driver IC and it is used to operate a relay so that it can function appropriately in a circuit. Then the 5 resistance that you see is actually used to lower the battery's voltage from 9 volt to 5 volt. Now let's move to the RF remote and we'll start with the receiver section first. So it consists of a buzzer, and the positive, which is the red wire, is connected to the ground, and the negative, which is the black wire, is connected to the output. It consists of a 3-pin transmitter module as well, in which the VCC and the output is connected to the battery. Now let's move to the transmitter section of the RF remote. So it consists of a 3-pin transmitter module, and the other part consists of the antenna switch, a voltage regulator. So in this, the VCC and the data input of the 3-pin transmitter module is connected to a 9 volt battery and the 3-pin transmitter module, and then data input is connected to the voltage regulator, and the ground is connected to the ground as you can see. And now I will request Mahima to carry forward with the explanation of the connections.
There are 5 push buttons which act as a manual mode for the smart wheelchair. As you can see, the 5 push buttons are connected to the digital pins of 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 of the Arduino Uno. The brown wire is grounded, as you can see, with the pins of 5, 4, 3, 2 are connected to the 1, 2, 3, 4 pins of the relay driver IC of 5 volt. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is the 5, 4, 3, 2. Then they are connected to a relay of 5 volt. The 2 wires that you can see, the left one is used to rotate the left wheel and the right one is used to rotate the right wheel. Then it is connected to the 7805 voltage regulator, and further it is connected to the IR sensor.
Moving on to the demonstration for the manual mode. So the first step is used for plugging the batteries. The first battery is used for Arduino Uno. The second one is used for plugging the IR sensor, and the third one is used for powering the relays. Since this is the manual mode, we are going to use the braille keypad, and there are 5 push buttons, and if we press the second one, it is going to move in the forward direction as demonstrated, and if we are going to press the third one, it is going to move in the left forward direction. And if there is any obstacle that comes in the way of the wheelchair, it will stop automatically, and when the obstacle is removed, it is going to move in the same direction until the next command given by the user. We press the first button, it is going to make the wheelchair move in the backward direction. The second button is as usual to make the wheelchair move in the forward direction. And now when by mistake I come in the way of the wheelchair, it stops automatically, and no matter how many times I'm going to press the fourth button, it is not making the wheelchair move.
In this you can see how the wheelchair will operate through AMR app.
B.